Congratulations, tapos na yung game. Okay. Isa lang sa rainbow.
Sky blue.
Sky blue. May sky blue ba rainbow? Kahit colors pa rin. Balakpakan muna natin. Okay. Sky blue. Topic.
Puppet.
Ito. Tapos na yung game. Isa lang sa Macbeth.
Sitaw.
Sitaw. Okay, go.
Kalabasa.
Alab.
Christmas tree.
Pwede pong tubig. Wait, ladies and gentlemen. Christmas tree is also a tree. It's a fine tree. Sa Baguio, marami, di ba? Palakpakan muna natin siya. Okay.
Banana tea.
Banana Q. Palitan natin. Sige. Okay, go. Kinds of fruits.
Orange.
Orange.
Apple.
Apple.
Mango.
Mango.
Kusara.
Gusto ko. Mami, yung anak niyo. Gutom na siguro. Gusto na tapusin eh. Isa lang sa fruit salad.
Cherry.
Cherry. Go. Watermelon.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Oh, di ba ya? Okay, game. Magtatag... Ina pa. Oh my God. Give me kinds of fish. 5. Sit down. Okay. Kinakabahan ako dito. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Give me kinds of fish.
Fish ball.
Okay, next. Give me kinds of fish.
Shark.
Shark.
Salmon.
Salmon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sit down. Okay. Now, give me kinds of fish.
Baby shark.
Baby shark. Oh, baby pa naman eh. Okay. So, game. It's okay. Bababa ka? Give me kinds of pets that has the 4 legs. May 4 na paa. Go.
Cat.
Cat.
Chicken.
4 ang paa. 4 ang paa. Hayop na may 4 ang paa.
Apat ang paa.
Ano nga?
2 chicken.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. Palakpakan muna natin sila. Alright, get the prizes right here. Alright. Great. This is for you. What did you say to Ate Fiona?
Thank you po.
And?
Merry Christmas.
Pakihawakan po yung anak niyo.